Hello, Mr. Azharuddin. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Please introduce yourself.
Uh, I would I would like to thank first for giving me this opportunity, and this is Azhar Gali from India, and I have overall 6 years experience in India, and I have done IGC Nivos in 2024, and I am graduate in BA Bachelor of Arts. That's all.
Okay. My first question is, as a safety officer, what are your role and responsibilities at site?
Yes, as a safety officer, my responsibility such as conduct TBT meeting,
Okay.
and you need to check permit clearance, approval status, approved or not. If approved, then we are just you can process the work. Okay, and before starting the work, which type of work we are going to the perform. First, related equipments, tools, and person, competent person, and machinery. It's my responsibility to check.
Okay. What is work permit method? What is permit to work?
Permit is legal documents, written documents, and it is issued by the authorized person
Okay.
before starting the work.
Okay. What are the kind of permits?
There are many kinds of permit as per company requirements,
Okay.
like work at height permit,
Okay.
hot work permit, electrical permit, confined space permit, and general work permit. There are
Okay.
many types of permits.
What permit you will use if the excavation is more than 2 meter?
More than 2 meter means confined space.
Okay.
Confined space permit, and along with excavation permit.
Okay. What is the hazard?
Hazards is anything that is potential to cause harm.
Okay. What is risk?
Risk is the combination likelihood and consequence.
No, it's method for use for risk assessment calculation. I asked you about what is risk.
Risk is anything
Okay.
that is potential to cause harm.
This is hazard, not risk.
Sorry,
What
sorry,
is
sorry.
risk?
Risk means probability of the accident.
Okay. What is work method statement?
Work method statements is just if any project is starting, then we are prepared method statement, work method statement, that is mentioned there all the procedure and machinery what are we are going to use, and step by step safe procedure,
Okay.
and what are the hazards involved there. According to, you need to take precaution there.
What is inspection? How you will inspect any power tool?
We can inspect 2-3 types inspection.
Okay.
Firstly, general inspection,
Okay.
and visual inspection you can inspect already. Also,
Okay.
and with checklist
Okay.
you can inspect any power tools and machinery
Okay. If you are inspecting any fire extinguishers,
Yes.
what you will check in fire extinguisher like CO2 or DCP fire extinguisher?
Yes. First we will check pressure gauge.
Okay.
Pressure gauge identified
It should be on red or green.
green.
Okay.
If this pressurized means red,
Okay.
and pressurized means in pressure gauge indicate to green
Okay.
zone, and pressure gauge will check,
Okay.
and nozzle also check,
Okay.
and tag
Inspection tag.
inspection tag.
Okay. How you will inspect CO2 fire extinguisher?
How will you inspect?
CO2 fire
Means,
extinguisher. Because there is
that
no
is
gauge.
pressure gauge. Yes,
Because there is no
absolutely,
gauge on
absolutely.
CO2 fire
There
extinguisher.
are no pressure gauge.
Then how you will inspect?
How will you identify it is pressurized or dispressurized?
Yes.
Dispressurized.
Yes.
Okay. By weight,
Okay.
and another procedure I don't know.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Uh, can you tell me the type of soil?
There are many types of soil. There are 3 types of soil:
Okay.
class A, class B, and class C.
Okay.
Type A, type B, type and C.
Okay. Okay. What is type A, type B, and type C? How you will consider that this is class A, this class B, or class C? How you will
I don't
determine, or how
I
you will
don't know, I
consider?
don't know.
Okay. No problem. Okay. What is H2S?
H2S, hydrogen sulfide.
Okay.
It is a colorless gas.
Okay.
It smells like rotten egg.
Okay.
It is extremely flammable and
Okay.
toxic gas.
Okay. What is the LEL and UEL of H2S?
LEL means lower explosive limit,
Okay.
the minimum percentage of gas or vapor in the air
Okay.
which is capable to produce flame or fire with the
Okay.
contact of ignition source.
Okay. And what is LEL percentage?
LEL means the maximum percentage of gas or vapor.
No, LEL means lower exposure limit.
Sorry, lower explosive limit
Okay.
means the maximum.
And what is UEL?
UEL, upper
Yeah.
explosive limit.
Okay. What is the life-saving rules?
Life saving rules.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. And what is mobile elevated work platform?
Mobile elevated work platform.
Yes.
It's under the scaffolding. Sorry, it is machinery.
Mobile
Mobile
elevated work platform. What is?
Boom lift.
Yeah.
You can say boom lift.
Yeah.
Boom lift is temporarily नहीं कट करो भाई गड़बड़ हो गया